Hello friends, welcome back to MCQ List Study Corner. This is list keynotes for UGC NET, SET, JRF, KVS and other competitive examinations based on the new syllabus 2021. Unit 1, Set 3, come let us go. What is information? It covers origin and concept of information, definition of information, characteristics of information, 3 categories of information, 6 steps of information, 7 types of users of information, popular quotes of information, sources of further reading. Origin and concept of information. The word information derived from the two Latin words formation and forma, which means giving shape to something and forming a pattern. The word information is first used in 1959 at United States. Information is organized, information is processed, information is stored, information is arranged, information is thoughts of human, information is power, product and resources. Today, information is considered as wealth, commodity and product. Information is the part of knowledge. Information comes from conventional and non-conventional documents. Information are facts, intelligence, advice and wisdom. Bytes is the unit of information. Researchers are the largest users of information. Information filtering means blogging of information. Statistic equation of information is solved by statistical and dynamical rules. Statistic theory of information is concerned with the flow of information. Growth of information beyond a manageable limit is called as explosion of information or information explosion. Average information content of a message in a set of messages is called information entropy. Average information content of a message from the source is called source entropy. Imbalance of information between a buyer and a seller is known as asymmetry. Asymmetric information is also known as information failure. Information is the production of mental reflection and imagination. The square brackets are used to enclose information taken from outside in cataloging. Non-documentary sources of information are the most powerful and useful today. Bibliometry is an information management tool. Information gatekeepers come under documentary sources. Information overload, information insecurity, and lack of control over communication are the major problems of ICT. The most important imperative resource for societal development of a country is information. Information about scale and projection can be found in geographical resources. Information for All program IFAP was launched by UNESCO. The user profile is a statement of user information. Information is considered invalid and information valid but inadequate for exploration are the reasons for obsolescence of information. ISO 9960 is associated with Standard for Information Processing. Search engine is usually a web-based system for searching the information available on the web. Current Awareness Service CAS is defined as a process of dissemination of current information. CD-ROM is a process of information. Third law of library information science states that information is basic input to human growth and development. Fifth law of library and information science restated with emphasis on information as a dynamic, continuum and never-ending phenomenon. Encyclopedia is an appropriate source to find out the descriptive information. Gazetteer is the suitable reference source to know the information of a particular place. Gazetteer gives information about official announcement and notification. Gazetteer is a source of geographical information. Reference sources are used to obtain particular information. Information of Prime Minister of Tamil Nadu can be found in Statesman's Yearbook. Specification is a legal document which can be used as a source of industrial information. Patent Information Alert published by DesiDoc. Institute of Information Association IIA found by USA in 1968. Router is a device which translates information from one network to another. Trans-border data flow means flow of information between countries. The term policy information includes decision making. Noise in information retrieval is due to redundant information. Continue letters 4. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe and visit my channel and website for more learning. Thank you.